Say you're working through a project and you want to send a version for review to your team or a client. You might not need to export a full resolution file that will take longer to upload and process online, even though it's relatively fast with most of our internet speeds nowadays. But for a lot of us, sending that first draft at a lower resolution but a small file size is what we want. So set your in and out points for your sequence that you want to export. Then press Command M on your keyboard. We want to keep the format at H.264. The preset we can change to something like YouTube 720p. So it's still going to look good. You might even consider going down to 480p, but I would just keep it at 720p. And this is assuming you're editing video that's bigger than 720p or 720p. For us, we're editing this really small video, so it doesn't really make sense. But if you're editing normal footage from your own camera, then it will be bigger than 1280 by 720, so this will still look good. It won't be stretching out your actual footage. And go down to bitrate. And this is really where you can get a small file size. Change the 16 to even 1 might look good. Anywhere between 1 and 3, that's going to give you a really small file size, but it will still look decent enough, but it's just going to be a lot easier to use. You can even send this over most email servers if it's under 25 megabytes. So that's how you export a small file size video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another lesson.